Alright, this is Tony, Ben, Coram, and Ricardo's project. We're working with nightlights. Nightlights, this specific kind of nightlight, is made of two things. One is a light bulb, the other one is a sensor here. The sensor detects light, tells the light bulb, to go to sleep, don't do anything. If there's no light, then the sensor will tell the light to brighten up. So that's the way that works by itself. However, when you put a few of them in an array, like here we have 3 of them, then something very interesting happens. A pattern emerges. So there's this little emergent thing that you can observe right now. It's going around. It almost looks like a circular motion. We also built a virtual model that interacts with this. And now we're going to explain to you how that works.
So here we have the same layout of 3 light bulbs, and they are emitting a radial light pattern with respect to light that is sensed, just like in the physical world. We also have 2 special agents in this model.
What we've done is we've split a sensor and a light in this virtual model. So this is a sensor, this little brown piece, and then it's a light. And if you go to the physical world on the tray, we've done the same. We've attached, if you see the go-go board, through the go-go board we've attached a sensor and a light separately. And Ben will tell you how they interact.
Okay, so what's happening here is in the physical world, we have our sensor built into our pattern of nightlights, and when the sensor detects darkness, it sends a signal to our virtual nightlight, which causes it to flicker on. And on the flip side, within the virtual realm, when we have our virtual nightlight and it, our virtual sensor detects a lack of light, then our physical nightlight over here flickers back on.
Okay. So that's the way this model works. Basically, we have a virtual model and a physical model interacting with each other. They're both acting as input and output to each other. And there are these emergent patterns that you can observe. So now this is a project we did for our Beyond Bits and Atoms class with Professor Paulo Blixstein, and this is spring quarter 2010. All right, goodbye.